All right, seventh grade, now that you have gotten your graphic organizer done, you are ready to type your rough draft. In order to do that, you need to create a Google Doc. So open up your Google Docs on your iPad, and you're going to click in the bottom right, the plus arrow, so that you create a new document. On the bottom right again, click that little pencil, and that'll bring up a new document. Once you have a new document, you're going to title it not with my last name, but with yours. So write your last name and then the words identity paragraph as the title of your doc. Now you are going to double space. So when you have your brand new document on the top right, there's that capital letter A with an underline. Click on that and that'll bring up this screen, and then you'll probably have to click on the right side where it says paragraph. Then increase the line spacing on the bottom until it says 2.0. So now that'll leave an extra line between everything that you type. Now you need to change your share settings so that I can see it and anyone who's peer editing can see it too. So you're going to click on the top right, those three little dots, and that'll bring up this screen. Click on Share and Export, and then click on Manage Access. Once you've done that, you see that it's restricted. So you're the only person who can see it. You're going to change that. You'll click on it, and then you see restricted has the check mark. You're going to click on it so that it says Hopkins Public Schools. So you'll click on that one. Once you've done that, then you'll want to click on the top right where it's got that little chain link, and then you'll notice that it'll say link copied to clipboard. So right now that link is copied. You're going to paste it right now into the Canvas assignment, because that's what you'll submit so that I can see your Google Doc. Now, after you've shared that, now it's time to write. So you are going to pull up your identity paragraph graphic organizer, and you're going to have a double screen. On one side, you'll have your blank Google Doc. I've already started typing mine. And then on the other side, you'll have your identity paragraph graphic organizer. So you are going to start by typing your name on the top left, your full name, first and last, like I did, Jennifer Poncelet. That's my name. Write your name first and last. The second thing you'll write is the title of the assignment. So I wrote identity paragraph, and then I also typed the date that I started typing that. And that's November 30th, 2022. Now that all should be what's called left justified. When I hit return and get to the next line, I'm going to center the title of my paragraph. So I'm going to hit center, and I came up with the title. I just wrote who I am. This is a paragraph about identity. So you could write who I am. You could say factors that influence my identity. You could come up with a better title if you want to, but put a little title on your paragraph. Then you'll hit return, and make sure after you have your title that you go back and make it what's called left justified, so that your paragraph should line up on the left side of your paper. Now you can either hit tab if you're using your keyboard, or hit space about 10 times to get this little space at the beginning of your paragraph. Here's where my graphic organizer comes in. I'm going to look at the topic sentence that I wrote, and that's exactly what I'm going to type here. The factors that most influence my identity are my open-mindedness, my connections, and my school, period. Now I'm going to go down to example 1, and I will type what I wrote there. Now I've probably written a transition in, so I could say first of all, or to begin, a learner profile trait, and then I'll type exactly what I wrote. I'm going to keep on going, one sentence after another, not hitting return until the very end. So after I finish typing all of example 1, then I keep typing example 2. It's not a new paragraph. It's all part of the same big paragraph. Then I go on and I type example 3, all part of the same big paragraph, and then I add my closing sentence. And once I've written my concluding sentence, then I can hit return, and I am done with my rough draft.